Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The first, let me introduce about myself. It's me, Taufikirullah. I am from English department, especially first class A. Today, I will explain about teaching, listening, and speaking in English classroom. Alright, to the point, to my PPT. The first technique for teaching listening. Here, the first pre-listening activity, while listening activity and post-listening activity, and using authentic material. Listening for speaking information. So in the second slide, it's pre-listening activity. Activity, student background, knowledge, and use picture, question, or brainstorming, and introduce topic and key vocabulary. In the third, we listening activity. Listen for mind ID and listen for the tile and complete text like table, question, or matching. So next, post listening activity is discuss listening content and summarize information and real topic to personal experience. Next, and techniques for teaching speaking is drilling, role play, pair and group work, discussion and debate, presentation and storytelling. And speaking activity and darling improve pronunciation and accuracy, role play and practice real life situation, and pair or group work increase participation. And conclusion, listening and speaking should be taught integrity. Use interactive and authentic activity. Improve my opportunities for practice. Alright, so today, technique for teaching listening. Listening maybe if in my class in my university, my teacher is usually use sound system, or my teacher use the voice to up the voice to all of students, so her order we are to read what did her say, like this one. It and much practice to listening, just only use your ear in listening. So technique for teaching listening pre-listening activity. Their teacher activity, student prior knowledge, took short discussion like practice and question or topic prediction before listening. The first maybe use like picture or some question or topic prediction before listening, like this one. If you get the topic, you can start to teach activity, listening activity. So with listening activity, student listen to audio with specific purpose, such as like listening for the main idea or identifying detailed information or answering question or completing table, like this one. And post listening activity, follow up activity such summarizing discussion the content of the audio or writing it to student personal experience. And if you wanna the technique, you can use using authentic material, use song or podcast or video or real life conversation in familiar student with authentic English. You can order the student to make a podcast, or no, not make podcast. You order your student to trying to podcast or to give song to listen to her, or to give the video someone in the maybe like in the YouTube and TikTok someone podcast, and to listen to your student. In listening for speaking information, students are tired to focus specific information such as time, place, or reason in conversation. That's the technique of listening. And technique for teaching no, listening first. Like yesterday in my class, when my teacher teach we are in the listening, so my teacher is use sound system, and her is play one song. So to order we are to read what the song like this one too nice to make me to we are the student to happy listen to song, not boring. And yeah, maybe like this yeah, for me. And technique for teaching speaking to speak, yeah, like drilling repetition practice of word, a pair of sentence to improve pronunciation and fluency. That's much practice in the work or in outside, not just in your class. You must practice English to nice to speaking. And role play, student edge or specific rules. For example, customer and seller, the customer and seller, to practice using English in real life situation. Role play like maybe like if Indonesian language is drama, is there someone gonna buy something, is gonna there with the seller, or customer and seller. You make your student to practice customer and seller, and order speak use English language. I will like the example, hey, how much this one, how much, and the customer say how much this one, the seller say maybe 500,000. Oh yeah, this I'm gonna buy like this one, maybe like that's the example. And pair and group work, student practice speaking in pairs or small groups to increase perception and confidence. And discussion and debate, students express opinion, grade or disagree, which help develop fluency and critical technique skill. Maybe like discussion with your friend or host someone about your problem or your studying or your school like this. And presentation and storytelling. Student tell story or give presentation on certain topic to improve language structure and self confidence. This the last technique to teach speaking, maybe like to presentation. You order your student to presentation in the front of your friend, or you order to storytelling in the front of your friend like this one, story about your life something, and yeah, much to story. And the conclusion of all of the from technique listening and technique speaking is effective technique of listening and speaking requests, target activity, the use of authentic material, and many opportunities for active speaking practice to the student become uh, assessment to using English in real life context. So you must much to speak English with your student. If you can, when you wanna speak or wanna speak to your student, you must use English like this one. Yeah, that's for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.